The world new disorder. How power quietly changes the shapes. This is Mr. Bravo, and you are watching Global Affairs Tonight. The world that no longer exists. For most of modern history, the world believed in order. Borders were respected, wars were declared, peace treaties meant something. After the Cold War, humanity believed it has learned its lesson. The rules were written, institutions were created, and the power, we were told, could be restrained by law. But that world no longer exists. What we are living through today is a series of crises. It is a permanent condition, a world where conflict never fully erupts but never truly ends. Tonight, we will explore the world's new disorder, a system where power has changed its shape and control is exercised strategically, quietly, and constantly. Why the old order collapsed? The world old order collapse rested on one idea that international institutions could regulate the power. The United Nations, security alliances and global trade systems, but institutions only work when nations agree to obey them. Over time, three things happened. One, trust collapsed. Countries stopped believing rules were applied equally. Second, power diversified. Military strength alone was no longer decisive. Third, technology changed everything. Today, a country can influence another without firing a bullet, but cutting supply chains, manipulating information, or controlling critical technology. The result is not chaos, it is controlled disorder. Great powers without great wars. As the center of today's instability lies the rivalry between United States of America and China. But this rivalry looks very different from the Cold War. There are no ideological crusades, no global camps forcing countries to choose sides. Instead, competition unfolds quietly over microchips, over artificial intelligence, over shipping routes, and yes, over global standards. A factory shutdown can weaken a military. A software update can reshape an economy. This is power without spectacle, slow, methodical, and strategic. Europe, when the war returned, many believed Europe had moved beyond the wars. Then come the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. This war shattered illusions. It revealed how deeply energy, economic, and security are connected. It slowed the sanctions herd, but do not always stop wars, and is remained the world that deterrents can fall. More important, it demonstrated that the rules alone do not prevent conflicts. Power calculations do. The Middle East wars without declaration. The Middle East offers a preview of future warfare. Here, countries rarely declare war, instead, they fight indirectly. Israel and Iran do not confront each other openly. They use proxies, cyber operations, precision strikes. The objective is not victory, it is permanent pressure. This is a model of conflict designed to last decades. South Asia and global checkpoints. South Asia combines unresolved history with nuclear weapons. India, Pakistan, and China operates in constant tensions. Diplomacy exists, but mistrust dominates. Meanwhile, global trade passes through fragile checkpoints. The Red Sea, the Strait of Hormuz. A single attack here can rise fuel prices, disrupt supply chains, trigger global inflation. In the new disorder, small events create global consequences. The gray zone, the invisible battlefield. We now live in an era of gray zone conflict. This is conflict without declaration, pressure will not invasion. Power is exercised through cyber attacks, information warfare, economic coercion, artificial intelligence. Elections are influenced, narratives are manipulated, and truth become contested. War has moved into our screens. A world in transition. The new world disorder is not a phased, it is transformation. Power today is no longer absolute. It is negotiated, fragmented, constantly contested. The future will not belong to the strongest, but to those who adapt fastest. This is not the end of history. This is the beginning of far more complex one. You were watching Global Affairs Tonight. Stay tuned, stay engaged, and stay awake. Goodbye. Subscribe.